I'm Tony with Direct Metal Roofing, and today I'm answering the question, will insurance cover my roof replacement? You know, we install hundreds of roofs every single year, and I've seen to where insurance does, but I've also seen them not cover the roof replacement. And it boils down to what kind of damage you have. So if you have storm damage from a windstorm, hail, a hurricane, or if something fell on your roof, a limb, a tree branch, in those cases, chances are that insurance will help you replace your roof. But if your roof is simply old and it has wear and tear from how long it's been installed, chances are your insurance will not cover that roof replacement. The best thing to do is check with your specific insurance policy. And at the end of the day, if you need a full inspection of your roof, we would love to be able to do that for you.